we got another late night car meet to go to tonight. I spent a little bit of time fixing these mud flaps earlier today. I installed these with the Icon video, and the pins that they sent with this did not do anything at all. So I spent a little bit of time fixing those today. Of course, the rear end's all finished. Looks really good. Everything works. I'm gonna give it a quick wash real quick because that is absolutely disgusting. Okay, now the car's all washed. Looks really good, really shiny. I'm so glad I ceramic coated this car because it makes washing it and drying it a billion times easier, and plus the paint looks, paint looks so much better, so much more reflective. I'm gonna go ahead and clean all this up and then I'm gonna head out. So we got a 30-minute drive right now. We're gonna go ahead and head that way. I got put in with all the big dogs. All my other buddies got turned away, but I'm rolling up in here with all the different M cars. Bunch of different M cars. And they put me front row too. I'm front and center. So that's pretty sick. But I'm gonna go enjoy the rest of this meet now and get some more videos. Buddy's Secure Orange F80. He just got this not that long ago. This thing's pretty sweet. It's DCT. I like it a lot. This M2, I saw this M2 the last car meet I went to. This thing was really cool. M8. Oh, E92 M3. I love the E92s. E92s look so good to me. I want one of these so bad one day. Performante here. This thing is sweet. The white and blue accents. Alvo Viper. This thing is so cool. R8. I want a Viper. Vipers are so cool. Another M2, M6, another M2, another M2, another M2, another M2. Another M2. These are becoming a little too common. Now I'm starting to dislike them. But cool Supra. Really like the Supras. I'm so happy they came out with these in manual.
Oh, TR1.
Their E92. I want so bad. Zaid! What's going on? What's going on here, pal?
Fell out on the way.
Oh, fell out.
Fell out on the way.
Dude, I haven't seen this car in so long.
I know.
Buddies, they're all lined up here. They got left behind.
That sounds good.
There's a bunch of other M cars over there.
Shout out to the cops.
You know damn well I should have. under 35. 35 and under. I'm 4 layers deep at 35.
Dude,
I thought we were gone.
dude, that dude spun a lot. Uh-oh.
Oh no.
We got Leo.
Vitamin.
He's not parked.
I think it's a BMW. What did the BMW do? I'm gonna do like. That was pretty bad. See, now that sounded exactly like. So we'll hear it. I would know. He's gonna do. He could have been. He's waiting. People around
Well, I'm on my way home, dropping my buddy off after the meet. Absolutely just decimated my front splitter. So that's sick, but otherwise, yeah, it was a fun meet. I had a lot of fun. Got to see a lot of nice cool BMWs, and a lot of nice other cars. I also got something figured out for the rain light. I talked to some dude there. Gonna try to figure that out, but overall, really solid meet. Really happy I went. Hopefully there's more to come. So yeah, that's all for this one.